Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare dental benefits, coverage guide step by step clearly. To activate your Medicare dental benefits, start by understanding your eligibility. Check if you're enrolled in a Medicare plan that includes dental coverage. Review your specific Medicare plan documents for detailed information on dental benefits. If your plan does not offer dental coverage, consider a standalone dental insurance plan. Contact your Medicare plan provider or visit their website for assistance. Gather necessary personal information such as your Medicare number and personal identification. Inquire about the specific dental services covered under your plan. Confirm if there are any waiting periods or restrictions for dental services. Identify in-network dental providers to maximize your benefits. Schedule an appointment with your chosen provider. Present your Medicare card and any additional insurance cards at your appointment. Discuss your dental needs with the provider and verify coverage. Keep records of all dental procedures and any associated costs. File claims with Medicare if necessary, depending on your plan's requirements. Stay informed about annual changes to your Medicare plan that may affect your dental coverage. Review your benefits each year during the open enrollment period. Make adjustments as needed to ensure you maintain optimal dental coverage. Stay proactive about your dental health and utilize your benefits effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.